Guys, as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm going to prove my client wrong with this buzz fade. I'm starting off by combing the entire area. Here, I pull out my transparent clipper from Wmark with a color match to the barber cape. Guys, this video is not sponsored and the lever fully open. I'm starting my first guideline. Since this haircut is a challenge, I'm sticking to a guideline I have used multiple times in my career to avoid failure. Now with a one guard and the lever halfway open, I'm setting another guard line, making sure it matches the previous one. With a 1.5 guard and the lever halfway closed, I'm setting another guard line. Guys, memorizing these steps is very helpful. It helps move the goalposts in the barbershop, especially on a busy day. Now with the lever fully open, I'm flicking towards the top. This helps soften the edges around the parental ridge area, making it easier to connect both sides later in the process. Now I'm leveling the top of the hair using a 1.5 guard with the lever fully closed. As you can see, I'm taking a cautious approach to ensure the top is evenly trimmed. Here, I switch to a one guard with the lever fully closed. I'm continuing to level the hair to the desired length. This next section is all about detailing. I'm connecting the entire process with a one guard, using it fully open, halfway and fully closed. I won't be using the 116 guard in this video, so let me know what to think in the comment section below. Here, I have removed the guard and using my mirror, I'm identifying any dark spots. I'm using the corner of the blade to minimize the risk of creating another guideline, ensuring a better transition. Now I'm shampooing my client hair, brushing it thoroughly. And I'm drying it with a towel. I'm applying hair cream and hairspray to lock in the style for a lasting effect. The final step is brushing the hair to ensure my client is happy before leaving. Lastly, I finish with the lineup. I recommend starting in the middle and working your way to the left or right to avoid complications. If you do like a detailed lineup tutorial, let me know in the comment section.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I also added a design to the side. It's not my best, but my client liked it. It was a busy day with lots of appointments. Guys, this is the cleanest buzz fade on YouTube in my opinion. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.